Hello, good morning everyone. So we are gonna head out for breakfast now, like a duh. Yes, my husband went gambling last night. He went to play blackjack. Okay, gaming. Says it's gaming. He played the blackjack. He told me that he was winning 170, 150, 170. Then at the end of the game, he only won 70. Okay, yeah, better than nothing. So we're gonna spend that 70 bucks now on a good sumptuous breakfast. Okay, actually, right, the strip is quite a far walk. It's like a good 15-20 minutes walk. It's quite far. See you at the breakfast place. Okay, so now we're back at the strip, walking to the link. So apparently my husband says the breakfast place is near the link, so we're gonna head there for breakfast. Okay, so apparently the place that we wanted to go to is packed, crowded with people, and I think the queue is gonna take like maybe 1.5 hours, so we decided to settle for somewhere else. We're here at Off the Street Bistro and Bar. Just ordered our breakfast, and yeah, we're waiting for our breakfast to come now. So basically here in the US, you don't need to ask for a glass of water. Usually when they serve your drinks, they will bring a glass of ice water. Back home in Singapore, you need to ask for like a cup of water if you want water. On top of that, you need to pay in some of the restaurants. Like they'll charge you 50 cents for a glass of water, but here it's free. Got scrambled eggs with chicken sausages and potato wedges. Or rather, I think it's the crinkle cut potato. And my husband ordered waffles and chicken. Wow, the waffles look amazing. And so does the chicken. I can't access the chicken. It's so dark in here, but yeah, on the side of scrambled eggs. Alright, so we're done with breakfast. We're currently heading back to the hotel to pick up his bag because he forgot he left it in the hotel. So usually when you visit a cafe or restaurant, they do have this thing called compulsory tipping, where you get to choose between or rather you get to choose among 3 options in terms of the range of tipping. So it starts as low as 15% of the total bill and then goes up to as high as 25% of the total bill. So here in the States, like if you feel that their service is not up to standard and it's not worth tipping, you can choose not to give any tips. However, back home, when you go to any restaurant, they just include like a 10% compulsory service charge that you have to pay for. So even if the service sucks and you feel that doesn't justify that 10%, you still have to pay. We noticed like in basically all the breakfast places that we have visited, they would give you free refill of coffee. Like you don't even need to ask. They walk around and like if they check that your cup is empty or maybe half full, they will ask if you would like another cup of coffee, and then yeah, you can get your free refill of coffee. Back home in Singapore, if you're done with your coffee and you would like to get more coffee, you order another cup of coffee. There's no such thing as free refill. There's no such thing as free in Singapore. Don't have. the helicopter to go see the skyline here in Vegas. It's awkwardly quiet, so I'm not gonna raise my voice. Yeah, I can hear the helicopters outside, so we will be boarding real soon. The husband's gonna get chicken and chips, but I'm gonna stick to the fish and chips. Why are you always checking out my Instagram account? Why can't you have your own? Why can't you start your own Instagram account? Why? Look at this stalker. So the husband's over there picking up our drinks. Oh my god, the lemonade is so sweet. Waiting for our food to come now. So dinner is served. I got the fish and chips. For the sauce I have ranch, Southwest ranch and sriracha. The husband got the chicken and chips. He's having the mango curry sauce and sriracha as well. Hey all, so before we call it a night, I decided to talk about some of the things that actually happened today. We had quite a bad day, as in after our visit to the Red Rock Canyon. After which we didn't really vlog much because I kind of slipped and fall and broke the tripod that I brought along with me. So after which we tried to fix it back and we thought that it was working well, but actually it wasn't working well, and the camera was attached to that tripod. When we were exploring the area, the camera fell off the tripod. Reason being is because the camera is a bit heavy, and because the tripod has already the top part came off, so the camera fell off. After which the lens that the camera came with originally it didn't work anymore. Like if you can see, when I try to twist it open, it's with much force, and so we felt that there was like a huge need to go get a camera lens. So we went to this place. The camera lens cost us $324.74 USD, so it's quite costly, and it's the Olympus one. We wanted to get the original, the Panasonic one, but that one was gonna cost us about 800 USD, so we settled for a cheaper alternative. We actually bought the filter, the camera filter. This camera filter, something similar, the one that we had originally for this lens that we got from Singapore, cost us 10 bucks. Here is a whopping $34.95 USD before the taxes. After the taxes, it was $37.83. Oh, there's one more thing I need to add. Okay, we were supposed to head to this particular place called Haven Street to go catch the helicopter, right? So it was kind of like an oversight on our part. Like we kind of forgot that like we had to go to that place because the person who sold us the tickets to take the helicopter ride told us that the place was near Mandela Hotel. We assumed that the pickup point was going to be at Mandela Hotel, but the thing here is we opted out for the limousine ride. We decided to drive straight to the pickup area, so as in the departure area. So by right, we should be driving straight to Haven Street instead of going to the Mandela Hotel. Thank God I brought along the slip of paper. We were supposed to head to Haven Street instead of Mandela Hotel, because the guy who sold us the tickets told us that that place, Haven Street, is just opposite Mandela Hotel. So we keep assuming and we keep thinking in the back of our minds that we're supposed to meet at Mandela Hotel, which isn't the case. And that was quite a mad rush for us, so we had to get from Mandela Hotel to Haven Street. But thank God we managed to get there on time and managed to catch our helicopter ride. So that's something that I'm really grateful about, because the ride is not cheap. Yes, that's one thing I'm grateful for. At least we managed to be on time we managed to catch the helicopter ride and saw the breathtaking views of Las Vegas. So yeah, that sums up today. Thank you very much for tuning in to this vlog. I hope you've enjoyed it, and if you are interested and keen in watching more of this kind of vlogs, do remember to subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye!